Hi, my name is Chris Wade and I'm a contractor in the city of Los Angeles. Today I'm going to show you how to clean white residue off porcelain tile. After you finish your white porcelain project, whether it's on the wall, the floor, or a countertop, you're going to encounter the white haze syndrome. And what that means is you've grouted and you've cleaned and you've come back and you see the white haze. And basically what you do is you take a wet sponge, wrung out, and you just go over it again until that white haze is gone. It's going to seem very annoying because it's not going to come up, and then you'll wipe it again and it'll still be there. This is just a very timely process of just wipe it down, wring it out, and do it again. Now this is something you're going to be doing after you know your grout has dried. Otherwise you'll start pulling up the grout that you just freshly laid down. You might have to come back several times and just keep wiping it until you'll know when it's done, when you obviously don't see the haze anymore. But that's what we're going to do in order to get rid of the white haze on this porcelain tile, and that's how you do it.